Good morning, guys. It's the 5th of September and I came out into the food forest this morning to pick my my usual figs for breakfast, and the sunlight through these amazing spider webs, I thought I would show you if I can. I hope. I love these mornings because now the dew is so heavy, because the difference between night and day temperatures is so big. This is the result. Would you have a look at that beauty? Oh my god. But the spider webs, I'm hoping I can show you how glorious they are. I'm hoping. But still this sort of wet lushness that is in the mornings. Oh my god, and we have glorious weather right now. Finally some glorious weather. But would you look at this? And how the light comes through. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys, but I'm really hoping you can see the beauty. I'm hoping. So these are, of course, the ever-present fennel everywhere. So amazing. And the geese are chatting. What's not to love about life on this planet? I think that's a glorious, strange and amazing thing. What? And last but not least, can you see how beautiful it is? Oh my god. Thanks for watching.